Good morning, students. Earlier we have started chapter number 7. We have done the introductory part and we have done question number 1 also. Now we will do question number 2, exercise 7.1. So we will start triangle chapter again, exercise 7.1. We have done question number 2, so we will do question number 2 now. Now we have to make the figure which is given in your book. First it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Make a quadrilateral like this. It is given that A, B, C and D. This is a quadrilateral, and this is also given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. So student, what we will write? Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, and second thing, what is given? AD is equal to BC. This one is equal to this one. AD is equal to BC. It is already given, and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Means these two angles are equal given. So what we have to prove? We have to write these things, these all things in these types of questions, students. In this question we have to prove that triangle ABD, this one ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Means first thing we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. This is the first part. Second part, we have to prove BD is equal to AC, and third part we have to prove that is angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Now we will prove it. How we will prove it? So student, what we will do now? We have to prove these two things. So what we have to prove? ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So let us take these two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, what is given that? We have given that AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. This is given. Students, earlier we have noted these properties that SSS, SAS like this. So we have to use these properties in this question. First one, AD is equal to BC, means side is given that these two sides are equal to each other. And next thing is, it is already given that angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. It is also given. Now students, think about it. In these two triangles, in triangle ABD means this side, this angle. In triangle this one, we have taken this side and this angle we have taken. Now for fulfilling any of the properties, we need three things: side, side angle, side, SSS, or angle like this. So student, if we will think about this ABD and BAC, you will notice that AB is common here. AB क्या है? देखिए इन दोनों में common है. So we can write that AB is equal to AB. That is common. So it is not looking here. So we can write it here. AB is equal to AB. It is common. So student, which property we can use it here? We can use side, angle, and this side because this is AB is equal to AB because it is common. So what we can do? We can write it by SAS congruency. By SAS congruency क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट? ट्राइंगल ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So by using this property, it is not looking here, we can write it here. Angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. I have written it there because it is not visible in my camera, so I have written it here. So what we have done, side, angle and side, these three things are so by SAS congruency we have written ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So first one we have proved. Now second part is BD is equal to AC. Now students, I have told you that when two triangles are congruent to each other, means each of the parts are congruent to each other. So by CPCT, I have told you that CPCT means corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. जब दो ट्रायंगल कन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं तो उनके जो पार्ट्स होंगे वो ऑल थिंग्स विल बी कन्ग्रुएंट टू ईच अदर. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट BD is equal to AC. Here BD is equal to AC. So we can write BD is equal to AC by CPCT. I have explained the meaning of CPCT in earlier video that corresponding parts of a congruent triangle means अगर कोई two triangles congruent हैं तो उनके corresponding parts भी क्या होते हैं, equal होते हैं. Similarly here angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. This one ABD is equal to BAC. This will also proved by CPCT. So you can write angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. Hence proved. So students, these things we have done that. First we have proved that two triangles are congruent to each other. अगर two triangles क्या होता है, congruent होता है, तो means its all parts means corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are also equal. So second part is already BD is equal to AC, we can write it here. Similarly ABD is equal to angle BAC because these two triangles are congruent to each other. So students, let us do the next question. Note down these questions and then I will tell you next question. Now students, we will do next question, question number 3. Question number 3, in this question the figure is like this. Figure is A, B, C, D and this part is given that O is equal to this and this is already given. So first we will write what it is given. Given क्या स्टूडेंट में AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to each other. AD and BC, these two are equal perpendiculars to each other. So we can write AD and BC are equal perpendicular. Equal perpendicular means students these two are equal and perpendicular means it will make 90-degree angle with each other. So two things are given, we have to find the next one thing, the third thing. So and to prove, we have to prove that CD bisects AB. We have to prove that students CD bisects AB. Bisector का मतलब आप लोग जानते हैं क्या होना चाहिए, मीन्स CD जो है bisect कर रहा है इसको, bisect means equally parts. So we have to prove that BO is equal to AO. So now we will start with proof. How we can prove it? So students here angle, it is given that angle DAO is equal to CBO. Angle DAO is equal to angle CBO. It means students, if it is given that these two angles are equal, to each other means 90 degree, it means it is a transversal. So if the two angles are, two alternate angles are equal to each other, it means this is parallel to this one. Okay students, because this angle is equal to this angle, it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree now. So we can say that this line is parallel to this line. So we can say that, we can write it here given. So it means, so we can say that AD is parallel to BC. Now students, if AD is parallel to BC, so what we can say that AD अगर इसके parallel है किसके BC के, so we can say that CD is a transversal. So we can say that CD is a transversal. Now students, if CD is a transversal, so we can say that these two angles are equal to each other, because when a parallel line cut like this, we can say that these two angles are called alternate angles. It means similarly here this angle is equal to this angle, so it means we can say that angle BCO is equal to angle ADO, alternate angle. So students, now we will take these two triangles, means in triangle BOC and triangle BOC and triangle AOD. Students, BC is equal to AD, it is given already. Angle DAO is equal to angle CBO, given. It is also given, student. And we have proved that angle BCO and angle angle ADO, we can write ADO is equal to angle BCO, proved above. So student, now think about it. Here this angle equal to this angle in this triangle, in these two triangles. This angle is equal to this angle and this side equal to this side. I have told you many of the properties, that one of the property we can fulfill it here. This is angle including side and angle. So we can say that by ASA congruency. By ASA congruency we can prove that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD. Now students, we have proved that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Why we have proved it? Because we have proved it that we have to prove that BO is equal to AO. So BO is equal to AO means it is the part of this one, these two triangles. I have told you that if two triangles are congruent to each other means each side, each angle, all the things will be equal to each other. So we can say that BO is equal to AO by CPCT, by CPCT. This is hence proved. ये तो प्रूव करना था हमने कि BO is equal to AO means at the last you can write CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB. So students, you can solve these types of questions like this. First you have to write given, and then you have to write to prove, and then prove. Then you have to use any of the congruency rules in any of the two triangles. If we find this rule is suitable, we can use it, and then after we can find what we have to prove. So student, this is the third one question. Now students, question number 4, you can do it yourself because it is a very easy question. You can do it. Now we are starting question number 5. In question number 5, what is given there? If line L is the bisector of an angle A and B in any point of L, means कोई line है आपकी, L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L, BP and BQ are perpendicular from this. So make the figure first, students. First we have to understand the figure, but he wants to say that this point is A, this point is B, this point is P, this point is Q. Now first we have to write in In any of the question you have to write first what it is given. So here given it is that L is the bisector. So this line name is L. L is the bisector of angle A. Students, one thing that you have to understand है, L is the bisector of angle A. जो L लाइन है ये bisector of angle A means bisector of angle A means होता है कि this will divide it into two equal angles. Bisector means it is given that this angle is equal to this angle. Now it is simple now how to prove it. And what is angle A and B is any point on L, and BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. These are the perpendiculars. B to the common arms. To the arm A. मीन जो आपकी जो आर्म्स A है इस पे क्या है B से ये टू क्या है परपेंडिकुलर्स हैं आपके. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट, अगेन वी हैव टू राइट टू प्रूव दैट BP is equal to BQ. We have to prove that, so that first we have to prove that, first part write down. First we have to prove that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB, and second part is BP is equal to BQ. In this triangle we have to prove that APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Now students, what we have to do now, we will prove it. How we can prove it? So here it is given that this line is equal to, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, and we have to prove that BQ is equal to BP. How we can prove it? We will take two triangles. In triangle we can take ABQ and triangle ABP. In triangle ABQ and in triangle ABP, what we can say that angle AQB is equal to angle APB. It is given. It is given in your book that these two angles are of 90 degree each, and angle A is the bisector of this line, so we can say that angle QAB is equal to angle PAB. It is also given. Now when these two triangles are here, this angle we have taken that this equal to this and this equal to this, and we can say that in these two triangles AB is common. AB is for this, AB is for this. We can say that AB is equal to AB. It is common. So students, which property we can use it here? We can use it here angle any of the side, not angle side angle, because angle side angle के लिए हमारे क्या है two angles and side is between them, but it is here we can say that by angle side congruency rule. We have to write it angle side. Now what we have proved that by angle side property we have proved that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. We have taken AQB. So in triangle APB and triangle AQB. So we have proved it that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now student, what we have to prove next one? BP is equal to PQ. Again we can write that BP is equal to BQ, because by CPCT means when two triangles are congruent to each other, it means these two sides are these two corresponding sides are also equal to each other. So we can say that BP is equal to BQ by CPCT, hence proved. So student, this question we have also done. Question number 4 is your homework. Now we will do the next question. Student, now I have noted this figure here, question number 6, because it is taking much time for making these figures. So figure is already given in your book, so I have make it here. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral, ABCE is a quadrilateral, means like this it is given that, and here it is given that given AC is equal to AE, it is given that, and in second AB is equal to AD, means these two lines are equal to each other. Similarly, these two lines are equal to each other, and angle BAD means this angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. ये जो part है आपका, this is a C part. These two angles are also equal. It is given that we have to prove that. We have to prove BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. Now we have to prove that this one BC is equal to DE. Now how we can prove it? We can write it here, prove. So student, how we can prove it? First we will take two triangles and we can say that DAC is the common angle here, so we can add this angle in both the triangle, so we can do it easily. So we will do it. So students, first we will write to prove. To prove we have written BC is equal to DE. Now what is given here? So it is given that angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. In these types of questions, you have to understand that, student, which is not given, means angle DAC, it is not given in these two parts. This equal to this equal to this, it is given that, this equal to this, it is already given that, but we have to prove that BC is equal to DE. मतलब BC हमारा किस पार्ट में आएगा? पूरा जब हमारा ट्रायंगल होगा दिस वन, एंड DE मीन्स दिस वन, मीन्स दिस ट्रायंगल. अगर ये दोनों ट्रायंगल का हम क्या करते हैं, अगर हम इस पार्ट को क्या करते हैं, एंगल DAC will be added both side. What we will get now? Adding angle DAC both side. Both side means we have to add this angle in both side, means angle, first it is given that angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. So students, angle BAD plus angle DAC means इन दोनों का सम कितना होगा? देखिए, BAD plus DAC means we will get angle BAC, मतलब ये पूरा एंगल हो गया आपका एंगल BAC. Similarly here this angle plus adding, we are adding this angle, means we will get this angle. It means this is angle, we have written that this one is BAC. We can write it here, angle EAD. Now students, we will take these two triangles now. Now students, take two triangles in triangle. We will take triangle. What we have to prove that BAC in triangle BAC and triangle, we can say that BAC we have taken. Now we will take triangle EAD. So students, in these two triangles, first one, it is given that AB is equal to AD, given. Similarly here AC is equal to AE, given, and we have proved that angle BAC is equal to angle EAD. So by we have proved, we can write it proved above. So you can say that, student, we can say that by By which rule we are following it here? We are using by SAS congruency rule. By we are using SAS congruency rule, we can say that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EAD. अब देखिए two triangles are congruent to each other, so it means we can say that BC is equal to DE या ED by CPCT. This we have to prove, students. First we have to check it, but it is not given. It is a common angle, so we have added this common angle both of the sides. We have to prove it that this is equal to this. How we can prove it? We have added these two, this common angle, and then we have taken the, when we have added this common angle, we have got this whole angle, this whole angle. So we have taken these two triangles. This side equal to this side already given, this side equal to this side already given, and we have proved that this angle is equal to this angle. So by using SAS property, we have got that this is congruent to this, and so we have got BC is equal to DE by CPCT, students. So students, we have done this, and question number 7 is now same as this question. Student, you can do it yourself. If you have any problem, you can ask me. So we will now complete this exercise. Only one question is left, question number 8. Question number 8 we will do it later in my next video. So students, do it properly and make the proper notes in your notebook, and I will check it by calling you, and also by using the Google Meet app. So students, do it properly. Thank you for watching this, and students, subscribe my channel also. If I am doing any of the अगर मैं कोई उसमें नया वीडियो अगर आप लोगों के उसमें कर रहा हूँ, डाल रहा हूँ, तो you can get it easily if you will subscribe the channel. So student, thank you for this.